Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shaizas Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful Indian style scarf, which is very easy and beautiful, and quickly you can crochet this project. Like 3 to 4 hours is enough to crochet this project. If you are a beginner, this is a wonderful project for you to practice the crochet as well. And the stitch we use here is double crochet stitches only. I used only hardly 60 grams of yarn to do this project. I'll show you the measurement. The width comes like 10 inches, and the length from this strap to other strap here, it's coming 19 inches. For the strap, it is 10 inches. So if you want to make bigger, you can increase the chains here, and when you increase the chain, the stitches will increase. After that, when you increase this portion also, the width of this project as well will increase. It's very quick and easy. I have other pattern also for this Indian style scarf crochet, so I'll give it in the description box, the link. Just go through that if you wish to do any other pattern. So let's start our project. We'll start this project with the slip knot. Let's make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we are going to make 3 more chains, 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over. Into the 4th stitch, we'll insert the hook. Under this 2 loop, pull up the yarn over, pull through the first 2 and the second 2. Including these 3 chains, we have here 2 double crochets. Yarn over, into the next, insert the hook under these 2 loops, and then we'll make a double crochet. 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we got in this first round 6 double crochet stitches. Now let's make chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn the project, yarn over, into the next, insert the hook and pull up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and into this last we'll make 1 double crochet. Insert the hook, top of this, and then make a double crochet. So here also we got 6 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, let's make chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn the project, yarn over, into the next 5 double crochets. We are going to make 5 double crochets. Same like this, we are going to continue till we get our desired length for our strap. I have finished here 24 rounds of same pattern, and let's measure the size of this. It comes like 10 inches. If you want bigger size, you can crochet, but this is a standard size. This much is enough. 10 inches strap is enough. Now we are going to do the increases. For that, let's make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Turn the project. Inside the same stitch, we'll make 1 double crochet. Yarn over. Into the next, we'll make 1 double crochet. Into the same stitch, we'll make 1 more double crochet. Yarn over. Into the next stitch also, 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Into this 1, 2 and into the next 1 2 into the last also 2 double crochets 1 2. So in this round we will have 12 double crochet stitches 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now next round it's an odd round. In that round we will not make any increase. 3 chain, turn the project. Into the next double crochet stitches we are going to make 1 1 double crochet 3 to the last 12. Here we got our 2 rows. For the next round let's make chain 3. It's an increasing round, so yarn over. Into the same stitch we'll make 1 more double crochet and then into each double crochet stitch 2 double crochet stitches. This round we got 24 double crochet stitches. For the next round we will make only single double crochet stitches into each chain. So same like this we are going to repeat. Here we made 2 double crochets, then single double crochet stitches into each stitch, again an increase, again we are going to make single double crochet stitches. So we are going to repeat the same pattern until the last stitch. Let's make 1 double crochet. We don't want to close, we are going to change the color. Before that I have finished here with 48 double crochets. We started with 6, then we did the increase, so to become 12. Here we did only 12 double crochets. After that it is an increase round, 24, then 24 double crochet stitches. Here we did an increase, so it become 48. On this round we did only 1 double crochet stitches into each stitch, so to become 48 double crochet stitches. Now we are going to, if you want to increase the width for our project, you can increase or you can continue with the same size. Now let's change the color. We'll take the second color, we'll insert into this loop and then pull this yarn down. Let's make chain 3, 1 2 3, turn the project and then we'll make into each stitch 1 double crochet. There will not be any increase hereafter till we reach the next end. We are going to repeat only double crochet stitches into each row. We'll be having 48 double crochet stitches into each row. Into the last stitch let's make 1 double crochet at the top of this chain. We'll not close this. Let's take this yarn up like this and then we'll make the chain 1 with this just to tie. Again let's take this cream color yarn and then pull this color down, the purple color. We'll make 3 chain, 1 2 3, turn the project. We are going to make into each stitch 1 double crochet, yarn over into the next. We'll make 1 double crochet, 1 2. So same like this we are going to repeat with cream color 2 rows double crochets, with the purple color 2 rows of double crochets. So we are going to repeat the same pattern till we get our desired length for our project. Here I have finished 38 rounds of same pattern and it measures from the strap to here 17 inches. Now let's start our decrease. Before that, if you didn't cut off the purple color yarn or the second color, just cut it off and weave it inside. Now we are going to do the decreasing stitch. Here we have 48 double crochet stitches, so let's do the decrease. Chain 3, chain 3, turn the project, and then yarn over. Into the next we'll make 1 double crochet, yarn over, into the next, inside the hook, pull up the yarn, yarn over, pull through the first 2, again yarn over, inside the hook, into the next, pull up the yarn, yarn over, pull through the first 2. Now we got here 3 loops. Now yarn over and pull through. This is a decrease stitch. So yarn over, inside the hook, into the next, pull through this first 2 loop, again yarn over, into the next, pull up the yarn, pull through the second 2, yarn over, pull through, again into the next, pull up the yarn, into the second, pull up the yarn and pull through the first 2, pull through then the 3. This is how we are going to do the decrease till the end of this row. So once we finish, we will get 24 double crochet stitches in this round. Now let's make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn the project, and we will do into each stitch 1 double crochet. So we will have at the end 24 double crochet stitches. 3, 4. This round we finish with the 24 double crochet. Again chain 3, turn the project, we are going to do the decrease. So yarn over, into the next we'll make 1 double crochet, yarn over, into the next, inside the hook, into the next 1 decrease, into the next also we'll make 1 decrease. So at the end of this round we will have 12 double crochet stitches. Now let's make 3 chain. This round we will do only the double crochet stitches, so we will have 12 double crochet stitches at the end. 1, 2, 10, 11, and the 12th one is here. Now let's make chain 3. We are going to make a decrease, yarn over to the next stitch, 1 double crochet, then the decrease, 2, 5, and then into the last one, that is the 6th one. Here same like here we got 6 double crochet stitches. Now let's make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn the project, we'll make into the next stitch 1 double crochet, that's 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, and the 6th one. 6th one at the end here. So we got our 6 double crochet stitches. Now we are going to continue the strap into each stitch, 6 double crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 3, I have finished here 21 rounds of 6 double crochet stitches. Now let's nip off this yarn and then we'll pull through this. Using this needle, we'll sew this inside. So here we have finished our project. I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.